Preparing a metal printing plate for making an etching. So starting with a big sheet of 1.5mm thick aluminium, it's marked out, and the easiest way to cut this is using an air-powered nibbler tool. Now this is a tool used in the car bodywork trade to make clean cuts in thin metal. So a strip is cut off the end. That's marked out into, well, here I'm just marking it out into 10 centimeter lengths, marking them square with a set square. And these then are chopped using a metal cutting guillotine. The aluminium cuts very easily. The guillotine gives a good quality of cut, but to get an absolutely perfect edge, the edges are sanded on a belt sander using 80 grit. That's pretty coarse emery cloth. The edges of the plate then have to be deburred. This gives them a soft rounded edge which won't cut the paper. Now that's done using this little plumber's deburring tool. They're, a couple of pounds from a DIY store. The corners are rounded, again, just so that when the thing is run through the etching press, it doesn't cut the paper. The plate has to be absolutely perfectly degreased, and this is done using either chalk or lime made into a paste, weirdly with soy sauce. So the back of the plate is protected with sticky tape, plastic sticky tape, because the plate will eventually be immersed in a very corrosive solution. So the excess sticky tape is cut off with a scalpel. So the sticky tape is completely resistant to the corrosive solution, and the sides that will be etched is left clean. The etched surface is then coated with ink ground. This is a greasy, sticky substance, completely waterproof, completely resistant to the corrosive solution, and it's applied with a roller. The plate is put onto a piece of tin foil, which is perfectly clean, so the roller won't pick up any fluff or dirt or dust. The etching ground is rolled on. Very, very thin layer. You can see how sticky the etching ground is. The one I'm using here is something called Baldwin's ink ground. It's a modern, non-toxic etching ground. This will give a waterproof, greasy layer which can be scratched through in the next stage. So that's that.